Nnamdi. I am from Edo State. I have been in this refinery since 1998. But what I'm experiencing now, but I cannot say it's new. We have been seeing these things. They come and show, flag up. But at the end of the day, they will look for some days. You will see they say there are lack of products. They will send our truck out. They will send our truck out. But this one, I pray, let God make it possible the way it started today. Let them continue like this, loading these products for the benefit of the people. And the price presently is unbearable. I am a marketer. I do pay for products. You do a business of how many million, you will not have a profit. And all the profit has gone to the government. And they are not the one giving us money to trade. We struggle out our money to trade and we will not see the benefit, we will not see the profit. So they should try and help us in that way to reduce the price. To reduce this price. We have been saying price, different price, but this one is the highest. A truck now is almost 30-something million to 40 million presently as 45,000 liters. But can you ask me what is the profit in that 40 million?
What's the profit, sir?
The profit is not up to 150,000. It's not up to 150,000. Many people are running out of it. Presently, I even planning to shift my money to other business because I cannot trade it. It's not good. Private depot is lower than NAPC, which is PPMC product.
Our expectation is that this should not be one of those propaganda that we've had over the years. It should be something that is going to start today and continue like that the loading should be a continuous one, not a one-day something. That's our expectation.
For the pricing, what are you expecting?
Yes, hopefully we are expecting that the price should come down. But even as it is today, some private depots within Port Harcourt are selling less than the official price of PPMC. Official price is still 1,045 naira, whereas some private depots are selling below that. So we expect that they should bring down the price so that we can remain in business.
So what's your position now? What's your position?
Yes, I'm a marketer and an ex-official of Nupeng also, a former unit secretary of this very depot.
Right, so as a marketer, how ready are you to embrace these developments?
We are ready, like you can see, we are always ready at all times. But the price must be competitive enough. Because like you can see today, all the trucks parked here for loading are mainly NAPC trucks. Mainly NAPC trucks because the current pricing is not okay for independent marketers to come in. So we expect that they should review the price downward so that the independent marketers can also come in to truck from here, because there's no how we compare loading from this public depot to the private depots where we've been lifting in recent times.
Dangote is selling 917 naira per liter, while NNPC is still selling to us 1,045 naira. A difference of variation of 75 naira per liter. And you know, a businessman appreciates 1 kobo as a discount, so there's no business. So hence, the troop in and the rush and the high traffic that should be occasion arising from today is a bit less. But I think going forward, NNPC will review its price going forward.
Comrade Ernest Inegbedium. I'm the Pengasin CTC chairman, Port Harcourt Refinery branch.
Okay, so your observation, it has started. Are you comfortable with what you have seen?
Yes, absolutely comfortable. We have very wonderful products being churned out at the moment. A lot has gone into this project, and it's actually a dream come true for each and every one of us. Firstly, I want to use this opportunity to thank Mr. President, then the GCEO of NNPC for all the support and commitment that has been put into this project, and most especially to the management of PHROC and to the entire staff members of PHROC. It's a dream come true for each and every one of us.
And you're confident that this will not just stop today?
No, it won't. Like the GCO said while he was speaking, we have a brand new refinery. If you look at, we walked past the Area 5 plant, you agree with me that what you saw there is a brand new plant. All the rotating equipment, the DCS, most of the static equipment, the boiler, auxiliary boiler, they were all worked on, they were changed. All the internals were changed. And we believe that what we have for the next 4 years, till the next turnaround cycle, we are not going to have any issue at all in terms of production.